Welcome to the exciting world of TypeScript, where we'll unravel the mysteries and unlock the potential of this powerful programming language. Today, we're diving into a game-changer in the world of web development, TypeScript. A powerhouse that's redefining the way developers write JavaScript. So, what is TypeScript? TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript developed and maintained by Microsoft. TypeScript is an open-source programming language that builds on JavaScript by adding static types. But what does that mean? Let's break it down. TypeScript serves as a superset of JavaScript, augmenting it with static typing and additional features. It provides developers with tools to write safer, more maintainable code by catching errors during development rather than at runtime. TypeScript's static typing enables IDEs to provide better code suggestions, refactoring support, and overall improved developer experience. With TypeScript, developers can leverage modern ECMAScript features while ensuring compatibility with older JavaScript environments. Its adoption has surged across industries and frameworks, including popular choices like Angular, React, and Node.js, making it an essential skill for modern web development. Imagine writing code that's smarter, catching errors early, and providing a smoother coding experience. That's TypeScript for you. With its static typing feature, developers can define the type of variable, ensuring that you catch bugs before they happen, not after your code runs. And it's not just about avoiding errors. TypeScript helps organize large code bases, making development faster and more efficient, especially in big teams. It compiles down to JavaScript, ensuring your TypeScript applications can run anywhere JavaScript does, from browsers to Node.js. So, whether you're building a small project or a large enterprise application, TypeScript brings clarity, robustness, and a sense of security to your code. Stay ahead of the curve and let TypeScript empower your next project. Dive into our series to explore more about TypeScript, its features, and how to harness its full potential.